In this video, I'm going to show you how to prove the identity sine of 2b over cosine of 2b minus 1 is equivalent to 1 over negative tangent b. So we're going to need to use some identities with double angle in order to do this. Now there are multiple double angle formulas that you can use, and it would all result in you proving this. However, these are the ones that I am going to use through this example. But if you choose to use something different, that's totally fine. Okay, so the first step is I'm going to replace sine of 2b and cosine of 2b using double angles. I'm going to rewrite it using an expression for double angle. So on the top, for sine 2b, I'm going to replace it with 2 sine b cosine b all over 1 minus 2 sine squared b. So this here replaced cosine 2b, but I still have to subtract 1. So this is the first step. Okay, the second step, I'm going to combine the 1 and the minus 1, and that's going to give me a 0, right? A 1 and a minus 1. So what's left is 2 sine b cosine b. When I combine those, negative 2 sine b squared. So in my next step, I'm going to divide on the top and the bottom. I'm going to take out a sine b. So then I'm going to be left with on the top 2 cosine b all over negative 2 sine b, because on the top and on the bottom I get rid of a sine and I'm still left with, so this is what I crossed off. I crossed off one sine and I'm still left with a sine downstairs. And then I can simplify that by dividing both the top and the bottom by 2. That will also give me, for step 3, I can rewrite it as cosine b over negative sine b, because I divided both the top and the bottom by 2. Then for the last step, to show that this is equivalent to 1 over negative tangent b, cosine b over negative sine b, remember that cosine over sine is cotangent. And with that negative in front, that's the same thing as saying negative cotangent b. But remember what we're trying to show. We're trying to show that this is equivalent to 1 over negative tangent b. And remember that cotangent and tangent are reciprocal, so then I can rewrite negative cotangent b as 1 over negative tangent b. And so there we have proved our identity, that this side here is equivalent to this side.